What's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we are making this beautiful wors or sausage stew. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. So in my hot pan, I'm gonna start by frying my sausage. I don't add any oil because wors tends to have a lot of oil, so I'm just gonna place it in there and fry it until it's golden brown. So you just want to achieve a little bit of color onto your sausage, then turn it over. This I think took about 5 minutes to do. Remove from the pan and set it aside. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of oil that was released from the sausage, so be careful, don't add any oil. I'm just gonna discard that excess oil. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. I didn't remove those sausage bits, those are flavor. And then I'm gonna add 1 big onion that I just roughly sliced, and we're gonna saute that for about 3 minutes until it's just soft but not brown. And then I'm gonna proceed with adding a teaspoon of ginger and crushed garlic. That is a very heaped teaspoon. I'm gonna saute that for another 30 seconds just until you can perceive the smell of the ginger and garlic. And I'm going to proceed to add 4 tomatoes that are roughly chopped, and we're gonna reduce them until it become a beautiful relish. So you want to saute them for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now you want to go ahead and add your 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or ketchup. You can also substitute that for tomato paste. After your tomatoes have reduced significantly, you want to go ahead and add your spices. I use this spicy Shisanyama spice blend from Robertson's. It's a very beautiful blend, guys. You can add any other spice that you have or that you also like. I'm also gonna go in with about 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. If you don't want to add the cayenne pepper, that's also fine. You can substitute that with paprika, because I'm also gonna add some raw chili, so you can decide the flavor profile that you want to go for. I added a heaped teaspoon of raja or curry powder. Then I'm gonna go in with about a teaspoon of black pepper and another teaspoon of salt. Just gonna go in with a teaspoon of brown sugar. Mix all of that together and saute to cook off the spices for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now this is optional. I'm gonna add 2 small chilies. I didn't chop them up because I just wanted the hint of spice, not for the dish to be overly spicy. Then I'm gonna go in with some chopped mushrooms and a green bell pepper. I used 1 green bell pepper. I'm gonna mix that through and we're gonna let them cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. While my relish is nicely cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my sausage. Now you can decide to just make it into halves or try to get a little bit of a nice shape like I did here, but trust me, at the end of the cooking process it won't matter, but it's the thought that counts, right? This is our beautiful tomato relish that's been reducing and cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and add my sausage, submerge that into the beautiful sauce, and we're gonna close the pot and let it simmer on medium low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Please do forgive my voice, guys. I have a very terrible throat bug, but the work must continue. You know, moshito o tswela pele. After about 25 minutes, this is how our relish or stew is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with some dried parsley. You can add a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of that. And to thicken my sauce, I'm gonna add a tablespoon and a half of mayonnaise. You can choose to add Greek or plain yogurt, or you can just go ahead with your normal packet soup, but the mayonnaise gives it a tangy rich flavor as well, and it's gonna thicken up nicely without modifying too much of the flavor that we have built. And then at the end I'm gonna finish it off with some fresh lemon juice, and it's ready to indulge. Please, if you've made it this far to the video, consider subscribing for more weekly delicious recipes like this. Like the video, comment down below and show me some love. I will show you back some love, and enjoy, guys. I do hope you try this recipe. It's quick, it's easy, and most importantly it's flavorful and delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.